everybody, thank you so much for clicking my video to watch. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this holiday inspired makeup tutorial. It's kind of like a Christmas party look I'm going for. So I had to use all the Christmas colors, green, red, gold. So before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how I got this look, then please just keep watching. Okay, let's start with our makeup. First, I'm going to go in with this Bioderma Hydra Bio Mist because I've been loving it. Okay, now I'm going to put on some foundation. I'm using the THBD Pro Filter foundation today. I'm in the shade 260. This foundation works best with a stippling brush. This one is from Smashbox. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to put this on first because I forgot my primer. And the primer I'm going to use is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I do want my skin to be nice and dewy. Gotta have some glowy base going on. Okay, now I can put the foundation on. It's actually the tiniest bit too dark for me right now, but once everything's blended in and the rest of my makeup's on, you can't really notice it. I'm going to use a combination of concealers today. I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Fair Porcelain and the Catrice Liquid Camouflage in the shade Nude Beige. I have this issue with buying concealers that are way too light for me, so then I have to mix them with other concealers to match. Can you believe I picked this out? It's literally white. Oh well, we all learn from our mistakes, I guess. Well, actually, I'm not because I keep buying light concealers. I always prime my eyes with my concealer too. I just find that it works the best. For my powder, I'm going to lightly bake with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This one is in the shade Banana. Enough powder on just so I don't crease up. I still want to keep my skin looking as dewy and glowy as possible, so I'm just using as little powder as I can. Typically like to contour my nose while my face is baking, so I take Benefit Hoola and Hoola Lights and I mix the two, and then I just go down either sides of my nose and then underneath it. I'm just gonna wipe this powder away. Move on to the rest of my face. For my contour, I'm going into my Tarte's Pro Glow palette. I'm really back to using this. I love it. And I'm going to use this shade called Sculpt. It's the powder contour in the palette. I usually use the cream one, but today I'm going to use the powder. Even though I'm going for a more dewy look, I want to switch it up because I've been using the cream every single day. I'm just using a thicker contour brush just to make it really prominent. For my bronzer, I'm going to go into the Physicians Formula Casey Holmes Butter Collection and take this butter bronzer. It's called Deep Bronze, and they sell this bronzer separately too. I just have it in this palette. Just so I can have a clean, crisp contour, I'm going to use the same powder and carve that out and clean it up. After I put my bronzer on, it tends to get messy and drag everywhere, so always like to clean it up. I'm going to use the Court de Rosa blush in my Sigma Blush Cheek palette. Apply it to the apples. Now I'll just wipe off this powder, and I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm not quite sure what highlighter I'll use yet, so I'll do my eyes first. We are doing green eyes today. I'm so excited. And yes, I'm going to go back into this palette. I know I've been using it nonstop, but I'm actually obsessed with it. It is one of the palettes in the Too Faced, I can never remember the name, but it's the Gingerbread House Party Kit. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. It's one of their holiday kits. And this beautiful palette comes in it. So first, I will be taking What a Batch right here, and that's gonna be my crease shade. Okay, now I'm going to go into the shade called Drink Up Grinches, and I'm going to take it on a little flat dense brush, and I'm first going to pack it onto my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out, so it's going to look kind of messy at first. I'm just taking a very small crease brush because I don't want to drag the shade up too high. I don't want to keep it where it is and only just a little bit above where I put it while I blend it out. This is also a pointed crease brush, so it's going to keep the shade kind of directly where you have it. I'm going to go back in and put a little bit more of the shade down, just because as I blend it out, it takes away some of the shade and fades it out. So now I'm just going to go back and forth with packing some more on and then blending until I get the shade where I want it to be. Okay, now I'm going to go into Get Elfed Up. Too Faced in their names. Spray a flat, dense brush with the mist I sprayed on my face. I feel like that did not pick up on the brush. Okay, now I'm gonna put it center of my lid where I kind of left it blank. I'm gonna try applying it with my finger first because it's not sticking. I'm gonna take that little brush again and just very lightly blend out the edges. Not too much because I want this shade to stay kind of where it is. Hopefully this won't ruin it, but I want to add a little bit of extra shine to the lid. So I'm going to take the shade Snowflake and just add the tiniest amount right there. Now for a little bit of mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then I'm going to put on some lashes, and I have no idea what lashes they are. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm pretty sure they're from Ardell, but I really don't know what style they are. Actually, I forgot to do my lower lash line. I'm going to take Drink Up Crunches again and put it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take my crease shade I use and just blend that out. Okay, the lashes and the eyeliner is on. I also had a lunch break, which I never do while I'm filming, but I was hungry, so I stopped to eat some food as well. I also have my eyeliner on, so really all that's left is highlighter and lips. So I think the highlighter I'm going to use is my Anastasia So Hollywood Loose Highlighter. Really pretty gold, and then will go well with the look. I'm also putting this on the inner corners of my eyes. I think I want to do a berry red. Kind of go with the dark green and gold. So I think this one will go. It is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Charm, and I've never tried a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick before. I'm going in with this NYX lip liner in the shade Lolita to try and clean this up. Did a very messy job. I'll have to go back in with concealer to clean it up, but I think this lip liner will help me out a little bit. Okay guys, that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Holiday looks are just so fun. I can't get enough, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you leave, like this video if you did enjoy